Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, October 29th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having apple fritter. For lunch, fish nuggets. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance by 9 a.m. Also, late duty today is Miss Shaver. Our word of the day is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel and congruent sides. Important dates. This week finishes up the book fair as well as Red Ribbon Week. Also today is Feel Good Friday and our fundraiser ends. Today is the last day. So our money was due today. So if you have that in your backpack, please make sure it gets given to your teacher and sent up front to be collected. November 2nd is PST. November 3rd, we're going to have the Sunnyside Theater play for pre-K through 2nd grade. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th, No School for Veterans Day. And November 12th, World Kindness Day. Lots of great projects going on for World Kindness Day. We have a couple of awesome shout-outs. First, an big, huge shout-out to Miss Barnes' class. They are recognized by Miss Gibbs, which is me. Miss Barnes had an important meeting that she had to attend, and Miss Gibbs was able to sit with her class. Her class was excellent, and they continued working on their work. They were doing some social studies about Philadelphia and learning about the Quakers, and they just kept on learning and reading and doing what they were supposed to do, just as if Miss Barnes was there leading the lesson. But they took charge, and they kept going, and they were taking turns reading and taking turns answering questions, and they did an awesome job. I was so proud of Miss Barnes' class, and I would love to go back and sit with them any time. Awesome job, guys. So proud of you. Next, shout out to yesterday's student ambassadors for Read for the Record. These students did an awesome job showing our guests around. They all bragged on how great our ambassadors were. Way to go to those 4th and 5th grade students that helped us out and took our guest readers around and carried on conversations with them. They bragged on you. They told us how great those students were, how nice and how polite they were. You made our school look really awesome, and we are very proud of you for being great leaders and taking charge and helping us out. Awesome job. Thank you, guys. Now, this weekend is Halloween, so here are a few trick-or-treating safety tips. Always stay with your friends or family. Don't wander off. Make sure you stay in brightly lit, familiar areas, okay? Don't go in somebody's backyard that's dark, okay? Stay out in the light in areas that you are familiar, you know where they are. Never go in a stranger's home. Don't do that, all right? Should not go past their porch. Put your electronic devices away. Look up while you're walking. Don't be looking down on your phone and not paying attention to your surroundings. Don't run. You could trip over something or fall. And make sure you're paying attention while you're crossing the street. Also, wait to eat your treats until you get home. Make sure you take a look at them. They all look okay. And mostly, be careful, but have a great time as you go out trick-or-treating this weekend. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.